I urge the court to make that finding again for posterity. That the day somebody takes plea, before he pleads to that charge, he's given the evidence against him. Trial by ambush. The second accused has taken plea on a mere charging, minus the evidence supporting that charge. It is in the custody of the investigating officer. He has the luxury to be in his bedroom while these people are suffering before this court. The bulkiness of the evidence is no reason to deny them that what is rightfully theirs. In the argument to deny them bail, Your Honor, you look at that. The state said they are ready to proceed with this matter expeditiously. And therefore, the accused should be inside police custody in remand because the state is ready to proceed and get a conviction. Today, the state is saying, give us 14 days. Casual. Kenyans are mad with the judiciary for the backlog of the cases that are in the judicial system. And yet, the judiciary has no role for that backlog. The courts are ready to proceed. The DPP is ready to prosecute. But the investigator is the reason why we have a backlog in the criminal justice system. The DCI will not get a blame anyway. It is the court that will be blamed that this matter came to this court. Nobody has ever been prosecuted. Your Honor, we urge you make a bold statement to protect the image of the judiciary, that no accused person shall just be arraigned in court and be kept as a parking lot. The judiciary cannot be a parking lot. So that the DCI is a conveyor belt. He removes the blame and dumps it at the doorstep of the judiciary. Your Honor, we urge that the file be placed aside. The investigating officer takes the dog, explains why the second accused person cannot be given the evidence against him. Right now, he's on interdiction. He wants to conclude this matter, either to go to committee or to go back and work. They cannot be kept before the judiciary, the awards of this court, for 4 or 5 years. Article 49 and Article 50 talks of an expeditious trial. The framers of the Constitution did not imagine a criminal justice system where people are here daily. I mentioned there are no police file. I mentioned they have not been served with witnesses. Your Honor, honor the right Prime Minister, Raila Odinga, who fought for this constitution. Let his death be a turning point in the criminal justice system. He was detained for 9 years without trial. These people are going to be detained in this court for another 5-7 years without the evidence to charge them. Then I know this court is bold enough. Article 157 cannot control this court on how to proceed. This court is clothed with serious independent powers to order the statements to be brought here today. We are ready to take a hearing date this week or next week to clear these police officers to go and work, considering that the recruitment of the police, 10,000 police officers, was curtailed. We need these people to go back and protect citizens. May the court get favor in our application and order that they be served immediately with the witness statements as we proceed. That's all for the second accused person. We'll be making other applications of what the state has about the forms, but later, let us deal with this one. My other colleagues are present. They can also put the instructions they have from their plan.
They are ready. However, what is not ready is the copies for supply. Everything is ready. Your Honor, given that there are a number of accused persons, the IO has to make copies of statements and documentary evidence for each one of them. You know, that is where the challenge is, and he's only seeking for 14 more days. You know, the investigating officer has given me the undertaking that the same will be ready in 14 days.
So the only challenge is making a copies.
Yes.
You know, to get a way forward, one of these days I might be the senator of Nairobi. I will undertake to pay for photocopy. Let them be brought here one copy. I will pay for the photocopy. These people can. The entire.
I think that's the solution.
That is the solution.
And then you in your ambition.
Yeah, the senator must pull out. Senator solution. It's a senator solution. We press the file aside, we get the documents, and we photocopy.
Yes, you know, I can contact the IO, you can place it aside.
Much.
Because you don't take the vulnerability of the senator.
Thank you.
Okay.
Let me place it aside.
Much.